Okay. Hello, everyone. Today's presentation's on how to do screenshots on devices. So, table of contents. First, we'll go over intro to screenshots, screenshots on different devices, final information and tips, and then finally, we have a video demo. So, intro to screenshots. A screenshot is a picture of what is on your screen, and that helps you save or share what you see on your screen. Saving information is very important, as well as being able to share funny or helpful images with those you know. Screenshots on Windows. To screenshot for window using your keyboard, press Windows key and print screen. Then your screen will flash and the picture is saved in pictures. Uh, Another way is press the Windows key as well as Shift and then S. This would unlock what is known as the snipping tool. When this tool is activated, you can select whatever part of the screen you want to save. Screenshot on Mac. Press Command plus Shift plus 3, and this should take a screenshot of the entire screen as shown on your desktop. Another way is pressing Command plus Shift plus 4. This would allow you to only screenshot a specific selected area that appear on your screen, desktop. Screenshot on your iPhone. Press the side button plus volume up at the same time, and the screenshot should appear in the corner to edit or save. Another way, oh, this is for older iPhone models. Press the home button plus power button, and the screen will flash, and the image will save in photos. Screenshots on Android. Press the power button plus volume down together, and a quick animation will show the screenshot animation. There are phones that allow There are Android phones that allow three-finger swipe on the screen, and other also use a quick setting shortcut called screenshots. Where to find saved screenshots? Windows. On Windows, you would go to Pictures, and then there's a Screenshots folder. On Mac, it's on Desktop by default, and on iPhone and Android is Photos or Gallery app. Tips for clear screenshots. Make sure your screen is tidy before capturing. Use editing tools to highlight important parts. Always check the screenshot before sharing. Hello, thank you for listening. If you'd like to learn this lesson with Cyber Seniors Mentor, please go to www.cyberseniors.org or call the number 1-844-217-3057 to register for a one-on-one phone session. We also host weekly tech drop-in sessions from 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern Time on Thursdays.